So, nandun siya sa labas ngayon. Kinuha ko tong kanyang ginawang parang sticker book, ganon. Kasi bili sila ng bili ni Lola niya ng sticker. Tapos, inaayos niya, yan. Pinagsasama-sama niyang ganyan. Favorite niya to. So, itago natin, no? Lagay natin sa kanyang dollhouse. Yan. Tingnan natin kung oh my God, na siya. Yan, umalis siya ulit. Hindi ko mailagay. Para hindi na makita. So, tingnan natin kung anong magiging reaction niya.
What is going on here?
Nothing.
Let me just talk like so boring.
Why boring?
Boring outside.
Boring outside? Ano bang ginawa mo outside?
That's my. Wait, what is this?
Oh my God, what's this? Ano ba? Wag mo ang laruin ito. Wag mong laruin.
What is that?
Oh my...
Yes.
Are you looking for that?
No. I just thought that is a different thing.
Oh, so nahuli mo na ako. What if I'm gonna throw that? Huh? Is it okay?
No.
You'll be angry? Did you make this?
Yes.
Yes. Huwag mo iba to.
Wait, inside.
Ah.
Wait. You just feel this.
So this one, wala talaga siyang damit, anak.
No, you have to.
Yeah, di ba?
You have to. There's this up. And not to. This one. Labubu. Can you see that labubu dear? Here. Labubu. Labubu. Labubu.
Yeah.
This is the kitchen. This is the table and have a lot of.
Ah, you draw this one. So, nagdikit ka ng sticker. Tapos, ginawa mong parang nasa table siya. Tama? Oh, very creative naman. This one, no? Simple thing. Oh, what are you holding?
Money. $100.
$100? No, that's 100 pesos.
I only got 3.
So?
So I think here.
Ah. So, what's that?
Did you remember it?
What? You tell me.
This is Hammy Nammy.
Hemi. Oh, that's your money box?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so that's for your video now. You just showed your money box in which nilagyan mo pa ng sticker, right?
Yes.
Okay. This one, lagayan siya ng pera mo.
Only 100.
What?
Only 100.
Pwedeng 500, ganon. Pwedeng 10. 10 pesos. Pwedeng coins.
Yes! That is candy.
May coins ba? May mga coins ba to?
Yes.
Madami?
No, only 3.
Only 3. Why not 20? Ayaw mo? Yeah. O, say bye-bye na, Garod.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to Heart World.
Subscribe to Heart World.